I'm approving of what they have said. What happens now, I'm afraid, John, I can't say what happens now. In fact, no one can tell where Afghanistan goes from here. But what we hope and pray that finally after 40 years, the people of Afghanistan will have peace and stability. I think, John, what we should hope for and try for is to make them go into that direction. And in the statements they've made. And secondly, Afghans are very strong people. Their women are very strong. I feel give them time and they will assert their rights.
How much time? Years?
A year, 2 years, 3 years. At the moment,
3 years.
But at the moment, John, it's just too early to say anything, because it's just barely been a month. After 20 years of civil war, they have come back into power. I think it's just a month, 2 months. In a short period of time, we will know the direction they are going.
Well, I think we know it now.
I don't know. I'm an optimist.